Let's walk through some of the options available when building a quote. You have the option to enter a quick quote, or you can customize your customer's quote to show every option, including accessories and extras. For example, you could go through the home, completing the measure sheet by only entering measurements for each line item as you go. Or you could start with a particular window, add its size, and then select the products and options you want for that window. Additionally, you can easily add an unlimited number of line items and different products, allowing you to create instant comparison quotes. If the customer wants to see prices for a shutter, faux wood blind, cellular shade, and drapery, you can price compare as many options as you want. You can also add as many items as desired to the line. For instance, if this customer wants to order multiple products per window, such as vignette, a cellular, and drapery side panels, you can add all these options to the same line item by checking the boxes for each product. If you need to include a manual item, such as a ladder charge, simply click the manual button, type in ladder charge, set the price, e.g., $75, and add it. The additional item and price will appear on the quote. To remove an item, just click on it, select Delete Line Item, and confirm to delete it. As an admin, you can view the cost by clicking the View Cost button. This will display your cost for the job in light gray text, which you can hide again by clicking Hide. If you want to order all items in a quote, you can select Check All, and it will add up everything for you. If you'd like to create separate quotes for different products, like one for shutters and one for faux wood, you can copy the entire quote, then remove any unwanted items, or copy the measure sheet and add specific products on a new quote. In the Manage Prices section, there are several options. You can apply a discount, say 10%, and it will show both the original and discounted prices with the discount amount displayed. You can mark the order as tax-exempt, providing a field to enter the tax-exempt number. Additionally, you can override the total if you want a custom amount, or you can apply a deposit, whether it's half or a custom amount. There's also the option to add charges for installation, shipping, and handling, and you can specify if these are taxable.